Hello. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm a fashion freak, a goya geek, a luxury lover, shopaholic, chic shithead. In today's video, we're going to be doing a size comparison between a mini flap square and a mini flap rectangle. It was really hard for me to remember those geometric shapes. I got like an A++ in geometry. In fact, I think I took it over the summer and I was like top of my class and aced it so I could get into AP Calc early. Anyway, so if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing and keep on watching, okay? Here we go! I'm trying to give you as much energy as I can because I'm so tired. So, size-wise, actually looks like, they look like they're the same size, but this one's a little thinner on the top. You can see. Also, the caviar versus the lambskin. So this is obviously much more delicate, but this one's a little thinner on the top, and they look like they're the same thickness on the bottom, though. Yeah, they are. So this one's like about, I want to say like an inch bigger. But that inch actually goes a long way because this gets very tight very easily with everything. And because it's so delicate, you don't want to put that much in here. This, you can fit your phone in a lot easier than that one. Not a lot easier. I mean, it's still pretty tight. I mean, to be honest, because the thinness makes it a little much, it's actually pretty much the same. Like, it's a little thinner, so it actually feels like the exact same amount of space in here. But other than that, they're pretty much the same. They're the same height. This one only has a little flap pocket inside. No zip pocket. This one has a flap and a zip pocket. And then the back pocket on this one is smaller. This one's is longer and thicker, but it's the same length. Actually, this one's a little wider too. Interesting. So this is actually a little bigger. Maybe this is a little more volume for your bang for your buck. But they're different looks, right? This is very rectangular. And this is very square. I need to use this a little more to give you a better review of it, but I do love this because it can be, you can literally, con of that one, con of this, our friend here, is that it can only be worn crossbody, really. I mean, I guess you could wrap it in and make it shoulder if you wanted to. You could. So not really con, but this adjustable thing makes it so easy to go any length. It can literally be any length you want it to be, which I love. And it can be a belt bag too. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button if you like to share with friends, your family. If you hate it, share with your enemies, exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you. Mwah. Bye.